welcome back everybody. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. We're still working on the car. Today I get the luxury of doing basically whatever I want on the vehicle. So there's a few things that we're going to do today, and I'll show you some of the updates of what we've been up to over the last week. So let's go take a look. One of the things we did off the bat was we got these side skirts done. So we painted them. They don't look half bad. Now I have to actually mount them on the car. So we'll go ahead and do that and show you how they look. And then they're based on the side skirts of a Centenario. So give it more of that hypercar look. So here we go. Got those side skirts on. It's hard to really describe it with just the camera. The camera doesn't really give you the full effect. It actually looks pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. So I can't wait to see this bugger on the ground with its aired down and everything. That'll look pretty cool. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I really do like them, but everybody's got an opinion, so you guys can let me know what you think of those bad boys. Also, we went ahead and put these guys in. So these are the surrounds that we're going to actually attach some faux windows to. So those will be, we'll put a little bit of darkening film on them, and then we'll basically just attach them to these guys here, and then we'll surround it with some weather stripping. So but it should finish it off pretty nice, so we'll see. Things are going pretty well so far. Next thing that we have to do is we have to French in the headlights. These are OEM headlights, if you remember from some of my earlier videos. And now it's time to get these fitting into the fenders perfectly. So we'll be taking the fenders off, and then we'll be cutting back some material back here and up here so that we get a nice flush fit with the headlight. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have the kind of the headlight Frenched in to the fender. So it's got a little bit of gap, but that's kind of what we want. And so then the next thing is to go under here and to make some structure so that we can bolt everything nice and firmly to the chassis. So that's it for this update. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And, of course, leave me comments. Let me know what you think. Good or bad, it's fine. So, anyway, we'll see you next time. Take care.